So on the right is the tree I was just talking about, Archontophoenix alexandrae. Archontophoenix alexandrae, with the skinny trunk, all the same thickness all the way up, the very neatly arranged leaves at the top, and the very prominent leaf scars. Now let's go over here and look at this one. This is Roystonea regia, and you can see that the leaves are arranged in much more sort of kind of shaggy arrangement. They're much more untidy. On the Archontophoenix, the leaflets on the side of the leaves are arranged very neatly, whereas if we look over here at Roystonea, the leaflets kind of seem to come out at all different angles from the stalk of the leaf. So it's a bit more of a sort of shaggy looking thing right at the top, and it's generally a bigger tree. I mean, it's just bigger. It has more longer leaves and more foliage than Archontophoenix. And the other interesting thing about it is that the trunk is not the same thickness all the way down. Right? It bulges slightly in the middle. If you look at this one over here, right, you can see that actually the bulge is quite prominent, right, from the top of the tree, and then you've got a big fat bulge, right, on the trunk. So this bulging trunk, and often, as in this case, the middle of the trunk is quite considerably thicker than the base of the trunk. And even here on this one, the middle of the trunk and the upper parts of the trunk are thicker, a little bit thicker than the base here. As we saw on the Archontophoenix, this also has the leaf shaft, right? So if we look up there, you can see the green leaf shaft. It's holding the leaves onto the trunk of the tree. And it also has these leaf scars. You can see the leaf scars on Roystonea, but they're not as obvious as they are on Archontophoenix, right? So if we have a look over here at Archontophoenix, right, the leaf scars are very obvious, whereas if we go here to Roystonea, you can see them, but they're much less obvious. So Roystonea regia.